I'm just a beginner in India. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ivan De Mello, and I've been working with All Nippon Airways since 8 years, and I'm from the marketing department. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everybody. Ohayo gozaimasu. Well, I am Ali, working with All Nippon Airways Sales. Last 12 years we have been operating this route, Mumbai to Narita. It's been great success in Mumbai, Delhi. Also we started Chennai. It is all because of everybody's efforts and support. Thank you very much.
おはようございます。渡田洋介と申します。私はダジャレで今いろいろ皆さんに日本語を教えてますので、よろしくお願いします。
Good morning. My name is Shashank Wadekar. I'm a managing director of Suki Consultancy. Thank you so much for being here.
Good morning. I am Dr. Nikhil. I am an international consultant. I spent around 20-22 years outside India, and majority is in Southeast Asia. So I am acting as a consultant, and at the same time we run a small NGO, Corporate Social Responsibility. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Advocate Swapnil Gawande, Director of PLI Consultancy Private Limited, as well as consultant for Suki Consultancy, and we will be discussing further details in my coming session. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Sneha Panchal, and I'm from the Science Department of Yakult Danone India. So I'm handling the Science and PR department, which is there in Mumbai region. Thank you very much. Thanks for giving your time for this.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sagar Dhandu, and I'm working as a Deputy Manager Sales for West India region. And I've been working in Yakult for more than 6 years. And actually, we are happy to be part of this event. So looking forward for this event. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shruti Singh. I'm working in Yakult Danone India, and since 4 years.
Thank you for the introduction. Now I will inform everyone on the stage to please have a seat. Arigatou gozaimasu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Thank you, everyone. Now we'll start our main seminar. I will start with my self-introduction and the presentation about our company, Fujiwara Japanese Consultant. My name is Rumi Joshi. I am a CEO and founder of Fujiwara Japanese Consultant.
Thought he was the CEO, guys.
Fujiwara Japanese Consultant was established in 2009 in Mumbai. Fujiwara Japanese Consultant provides following services: Japanese interpretation services, Japanese language training, under which we have Fujiwara Japanese Language Institute, and corporate Japanese language training. Number 3, Japanese events and seminars just like today, and conducting Japan cultural and educational tours. Now I would like to even inform about the history and background of Fujiwara Japanese Consultant. Now it is founded by myself and also my father, Mr. Mahesh Joshi. As you're aware, both my parents are graduates of Tenri University from Nara City, Japan. 33 years back, they had gone as a foreign exchange student. My father was selected from Gujarat and my mother from Mumbai. So they had gone as a foreign exchange student to learn Japanese language at Tenri University, and they met there and they got married there. And in fact, they were the first Indians to marry in Japanese wedding style Sansan Kudo. and it was also published in Japanese newspaper and had come in the TV. I am also born and brought up in Japan.
Your boy has come on the newspaper too.
Now, I would also like to show a few pictures of our history. Now, this is a history. This is a picture of Mr. Mahesh Joshi receiving a graduation certificate at Delhi University. This is a picture of my mother, late mom, Miss Neelam Joshi, receiving graduation certificate of Delhi University at Nara City, Japan. She is no longer with us, but she inspired us to found Fujiwara Japanese Consulting. So you can see this is the wedding picture. Japanese wedding style Sansan Kudo. More wedding pictures. And this is my childhood picture of me during the Ichigo-san festival at Kobe, Japan. Me in blue kimono. Our vision, what is the main motive of Fujiwara Japanese Consultant? So, to provide Japanese language assistance, promote Japanese culture through various seminars and events just like today, promote Japanese business development in India, and to provide insights about Japanese business management style and working culture through Mr. Mahesh Joshi's 33 years of living and working in Japan, to bring Japan closer to India. And we want to serve our Japanese clients and Indian counterparts, give them Japanese language assistance, and spread Japanese language and culture throughout India. And as said earlier, these are the following services that we provide. So I'll explain you each service accordingly. Number one is Japanese interpretation service. We provide Japanese interpretation services in various fields like business meetings, factory visits, and installations, events and conferences, exhibitions, market research, medical, etc. Myself and my father, Mrs. Joshi, has also interpreted for our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, at the 5th Global Vibrant Gujarat Summit held in 2011. We have worked as a Japanese interpretation with various companies. However, I will not be able to disclose all their names due to short time and confidentiality, but these are the following clients that we have worked with. Also with industrialist Mr. Gautam Singhania of Raymond's Group, Lakme Fashion Week, JICA Japan Government Projects, Jindal Steel. We have taken Jindal engineers to Japan for engineering training, NEC, Toto, Toray, etc. and many more. So these are few of our Japanese interpretation pictures. Myself with few Japanese delegates. So these are the few pictures. Okay, now going to our second service, we provide Japanese language training, under which we have Fujiwara Japanese Language Institute, and second is Corporate Japanese Language Training. So Fujiwara Japanese Language Institute is located at Dadar, Mumbai. We have trained over 1,500 students in Mumbai, and we do not only focus on passing the JLPT exam, but we think Japanese conversational practice is very important, along with teaching Japanese business management style and culture. Mr. Mahesh Joshi's experience of working in Japanese company teaches them useful insights about Japanese business style and culture. We have also many Japanese delegates and natives visiting our institute for conducting several types of events like Japanese speech contest, Study in Japan seminar, and for more details I will explain you in the next slide. So these are the few pictures of our institute. We conduct like Japanese delegates would come to our institute to conduct Japanese origami, calligraphy, Japanese kanji seminar, speech contest, and Study in Japan. So you can see these are the pictures of our institute. Okay, now coming to the second, corporate Japanese language training. Fujiwara Japanese Consultant conducts corporate Japanese language training to the employees of various companies in Mumbai. We not only teach Japanese language but focus largely on business conversational skills and teach Japanese business management and style of working with Japanese counterparts. Mr. Mahesh Joshi's useful insights of experience of working in Japanese company in Japan is taught to the employees. Now these are the few clients where we have conducted corporate training so far. We have taught to the employees of various Japanese companies in Mumbai, including Mitsubishi Private Limited, Daiichi Insurance Company, Larsen & Toubro, HH Global, Hatsuno Private Limited, Sysmax, Toyota, and also trained 200 hotel staff in Japanese hospitality management at Orchid Hotel, Mumbai. Japanese hospitality management is in style. Photos mentioned here. So these are the few corporate Japanese language training pictures. This is with Mitsubishi. So not only Japanese language but how all the business etiquette and manners as well, because the Japanese working style is quite different from the Indian working style. So this is a picture of me training 200 hotel staff in Japanese hospitality management, which is known as Omotenashi. And here is the Fujiwara Corporate Training Certification Distribution Ceremony in companies as well as our institute. Okay, now coming to the third service that we provide is Japan-related events and seminars just like today. So in the past we have done similar events, so I will explain to you. Now we along with Japanese delegates also conduct Japan-related events and seminars to promote Japan culture. Following are the list of Japan events conducted in the past. In 2017, we had conducted a Japan Railway seminar with Japan Railway delegates for the bullet train project. In 2018, last year in November, we also conducted Indo-Japan Cultural Seminar with Asahi Group Nikkei and Mitsubishi in 2018. We also have small events, seminars like Japan Art Festival in 2017 and Japan Food Festival in 2019. So these are the pictures of the Japan Railway seminar. We also had our Japanese expat group Spice Madams performing at our event. This is the Japan Railway seminar. Even All Nippon Airways had joined with us during that seminar. It was attended by approximately 200 people. You can see Spice Madams performing, and the children of Japanese School of Bombay had also performed. Now coming to the last year seminar which we had done with Mitsubishi and Asahi Nikkei Group.
Your boss Bayan is also there in the team.
These are the few pictures. And coming now, the Japan Art Festival was conducted in 2017 with the students of Fujiwara Japanese Language Institute, because most of the students not only learning Japanese language but they have love for Japanese anime and art. So we have done 1 hour documentary on various forms of Japanese art, and they were also allowed we had conducted an exhibition where the students were even allowed to exhibit their works of art. For example, you can see a Japanese temple created by one of our students, small Japanese doll pebbles, Japanese doll bookmarks, and it was even published in Midday newspaper. These are the few manga sketches. And we also did a small event called Japan Food Festival with the students of our institute, along with the professional chef of Sanki restaurant. He was one of our students, and we also taught them how to make Japanese food. So these are few of the pictures. We have made tasty onigiri and gyozas together. Okay, now coming Fujiwara Japanese Language Institute like Study in Japan program. So Fujiwara Institute is also have tie-ups with various universities and institutes in Japan. So those students who are interested to apply in Japanese colleges and universities, we help them, guide them. And we also invite these universities to conduct seminars at our institute.
Guys, that's it for the vlog. I hope you like it and see you soon.
Japanese speech contest. And this Japanese speech contest we had conducted in our institute, and it was judged by Japanese natives. These are few small events that we did inside the premises of our institute, like Japanese origami, calligraphy, kanji seminar, along with Japanese delegates. Also, we conduct small parties like Christmas boat party with Fujiwara student, open bus party, and Japanese restaurant gatherings in Japanese restaurants, and we play Japanese songs and games for Fujiwara staff and students. Also, we also conduct Japanese business management seminars in various management colleges in Mumbai. These are the few of the pictures. Okay, now coming to the fourth service, we conduct Japan Cultural and Educational Tour. Fujiwara Japanese Consultant conducts Japan Educational and Cultural Tour in association with our Japan Travel Business partner Suki Consultancy Private Limited. In June 2017, we organized a scene program where it was even broadcasted in MBS Japanese News Channel in an article published in Yomiuri Shimbun newspaper. And our tour is not only about sightseeing, just like the normal tour, but it is an educational and cultural tour where we also conduct Japan cultural activities like visiting Japanese schools, cultural exchange lunch party with Japanese local villagers, rice planting, Japanese paper making, wearing kimono, learning to make Japanese food, Japanese dance, etc. In November 2018, we also visited 5 cities with 16 students for the same program. Following is the photograph. Here is the Japanese cultural exchange party with the local villagers of Japan.
Boring.
These are the few pictures. This was, we had done a rice planting activity at the Nagano prefecture. Even the paper making workshop we had visited, Japanese paper making workshop. Also, this was in November 2018, we took 16 of our students to 5 cities in Japan. This is the picture of Tokyo Tower with them. And we also made them have an authentic Japanese cultural experience. We also took them to Japanese izakaya restaurant. Izakaya is an authentic Japanese restaurant. So these are the few newspaper and articles of our company. You can see our article was published in Hindustan Times, Japan Airline Magazine, Gujarat Samachar, and many more. Also, my sister, Miss Amy Shah, had also tried to spread Soji signs. Soji in Japanese means cleanliness. So she also tried to teach cleanliness in the schools of South Mumbai, in which her article was published in Midday. Okay, so Fujiwara Japanese Consultant. Following, we would please request you to please like our Facebook page and YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fujiwara Japanese Consultant. Our website address is JapaneseInterpreterIndia.com. Our institute address is JapaneseClassesMumbai.com. And our educational and cultural tour address is Fujiwara JapaneseTour.com. And also please follow us on Twitter at Fujiwara999. Thank you for seeing my presentation. Arigatou gozaimasu.